The density of a liquid is 1,000 kilograms per metre cubed at 0 degrees C, and it's 900 kilograms at metres cubed at 100 degrees C. Determine the coefficient of cubical expansion of the liquid. That's what we want you to work out. Now this question is asking us to determine the coefficient of cubical expansion when we know how much it's expanded by. The first thing is to do is determine the increase in the volume. Well, we know how to determine the increase in the volume, and we know that the density equals mass per unit volume. So density is always mass per unit volume. If you transpose this, volume equals mass divided by density. Now we know that at 0 degrees C, the volume of 1 kilo, is 1 divided by 1,000. And at 100 degrees C, the volume equals 1 divided by 900. Therefore, the increase in volume is 1 divided by 900 minus 1. It comes out at 0.00011. Do you understand? We can work out the increase by knowing the density difference. And the increase is 0.000111. Now, how do we determine the coefficient of cubical expansion? Well, we know the increase equals the coefficient of cubical expansion times the temperature rise times the mass. So we know that formula. Well, that means then the increase equals the coefficient times the temperature rise times the mass. Therefore, 0.000111, because we know the increase equals the coefficient of cubical expansion times 100 times 1. Well, if you transpose this, transpose the formula, you get 0.000111 divided by 100 equals the coefficient of cubical expansion. Well, therefore, the coefficient of cubical expansion equals 0.000111, or 1.11 times 10 to the minus 6. Do you understand how you do it? If you know the principles, you can transpose formulas and you can work out coefficients as long as you know most of the variables. If there's one unknown, you can determine it, and that's what that is.